Your B08 can sew almost every thread and fabric with the correct settings. Before you sew your project, do a test with the same thread and fabric. Check the sewing result and adjust the settings as necessary. Depending on the material, the thread tension may need to be adjusted. It is recommended to start with the default setting 3. If the bobbin thread shows on the upper side, turn the dial to the left. This loosens the upper thread. The left seam shows the proper stitch after adjusting the thread tension. If the needle thread loops on the lower side of the fabric, turn the dial to the right. This tightens the upper thread. The foot pressure is set at 3 for regular sewing. If you sew on thin or thick fabric, adjust it as needed.